warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayana Batrisyia binti Dino Mazali and my student ID is 2021610046 and this is my video for my practical test 2 CEM 472. For my sustainable infrastructure project, I have chosen to build a greenhouse or a sustainable house, which is a semi-D house. And as you can see here, this is the front side, this is the left side I think, and this is the right side of the model. And here you can see that this is the back side of the model. To build this model, I have used a couple of recycled material such as recycled paper, recycled cardboard, as you can see, recycled plastic material, and also recycled sponge for the cement. And I have also used a fake grass to show how the lawn of this house will be. This model can be an example to a sustainable house, and it focuses on saving water, electricity, reducing heat, maximizing natural lighting, as you can see here, and also saving construction costs, because my main idea is to make this house mainly from wood and minimize the usage of cement and concrete. There are around 5 sustainable features in this house model, and the first one you can see right from the front is the permeable paving, which is useful to avoid flooding because it absorbs and collects rainwater, as you can see from the diagram that I have drawn. This is the permeable paving and this is the grass. So the grass will absorb all the water underground, and there is also a drain to flow the water to where it is supposed to be. So all of this layer is useful to absorb water during a heavy rain. The second feature, as you can see, is the wind catcher and cross ventilation, such as the way the position of the roof is. And there is supposed to be a wall and a big window here and here too. And this feature is useful to maximize the ventilation in this house, and it is to avoid this house from overheating and make sure there is always a space in this house to release more heat. The third feature from the front and the area that will be hit with sunlight the most. The third feature is the solar panel. It can absorb sunlight and absorb solar energy, and that solar energy will be converted to electric energy, and from this we can save as much as electricity as possible, and this can be used as a backup. The fourth sustainable feature in this house is, you cannot see it from here because it is on the inside, is automatically controlled switch for light and fan, and this is to save electric based on the owner or occupant in this house usage and need. And there is also a feature at the front door, at the front door, The front door light will automatically switch on when it senses a body heat, so that can also save as much as electricity as we can. The last feature, or the fifth sustainable feature of this house, is a roof that can harvest rainwater. I haven't managed to draw a drain here or to paste a drain here, but this roof will be tilted at around a couple degrees, such as sometimes 19 or sometimes 13 degrees, so that every time it's raining, the rainwater will fall down to the drain system, and there will be a tank underground to store the rainwater, and there can be a system in this house to use the water in the storage to water the garden and to water the house lawn. And with that 5 features explained, that will be the end of my explanation for my sustainable house model. And I think those 5 features will help so much to save energy in the future, and this house can be long lasting and sustainable for future use. And that will be the end of my video. Thank you for watching and see you again. Goodbye.
Hey Jimmy, you nice. Keep